Now we're going to take a look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Wow, that is orange. Let's take a look at this. We got the 6.9-inch screen on this. You have a USB-C cord. Now let's take a look at that display. All right. Feels very good in the hand. Feels much better than my 15 Pro Max. But I really kind of do like that Air. And here's that Air. Now, of course, the Air does a lot less, but it's a little bit smaller, but boy, is that Air light. So if you want to see the comparison here, there it is. Now, to me, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max feels a little bit lighter than the 14 Pro Max, which I have in the middle here. And you can see all the screens and the size. There's that Air again. I really do like it. Of course, it's, it doesn't have all the cameras, but we're going to test that. And of course, here's the 14 Pro Max, which I don't really like the way it feels in the hand. Definitely the Air and the new 17 Pro Max. This phone has a really nice feel in the hand. And, I don't use cases, so I just use the phones as they are. But I do like the way that phone feels. Guys, be sure to come back to my channel and like, share, and subscribe because I'm going to do full testing on all of these phones.